Matte Final Finish is the perfect spray and wipe product for maintaining the just detailed look in between normal washing and drying. Matte Final Finish removes fingerprints, light dust, and smudges to maintain and preserve a flawless matte or satin finish. Conventional spray detailers contain wax, silicone oils, and other fillers to increase shine and add gloss to the type of normal paint found on most cars. These types of spray detailers will alter the factory appearance of matte, satin, and frost paint finishes. Unlike conventional spray detailers, formulated for use on glossy paint, Matte Final Finish contains no wax or oil and will not add gloss or create shine. Its high lubricity formulation creates a slick interface between your towel and the paint, reducing friction to preserve the matte appearance and avoid scratches. Use Matte Final Finish as needed in between washes for light contamination that can be easily removed without the need to drag out a water hose and a bucket. It's perfect for things like fingerprints and smudges. Keep a bottle of Matte Final Finish in your glove box or trunk for on-the-go touch-ups. Matte Final Finish can also be used on glossy paint, which makes it perfect for glossy cars with matte hoods, roofs, trunk lids, spoilers, and even matte vinyl graphics. With Matte Final Finish, you can quickly keep your ride looking like it was just freshly detailed while preserving the factory matte appearance. If you ever have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us at myteam@drbeasleys.com or give us a call at 773-404-1600.